What has orange, brown, shaggy fur, big teeth, and is 11 feet tall? What does the Olympics have to do with the C&O Canal Trail? Find out all these answers on this bike ride. Let's go riding. This is very pleasant. Like hardly anybody's here. And there's so much shade. There's a canopy of trees here and it's just lovely. Hey.
Oh, hello.
Hello. Seems like there's a lot of Tarzan ropes here. I see another one over there. I'd like to grab it and try to swing on it. To a lock house. This is lock house 27. Hey, Lockie. What has orange, brown, shaggy fur, and teeth the size of a shoebox? Did you guess? A mammoth. Can you believe that there were saber-toothed tigers and mammoths walking on these paths? So there is an archaeological site just up the path where they have unearthed mammoth bones. Did you see any mammoths while you were exploring?
Just a few.
Ooh.
Or could have been a squirrel, I can't tell.
Really hard to believe that Thomas Jefferson stood right where you're standing.
Wow.
Can you believe it? This is so cool. So people have been crossing right here for thousands of years. The Palo Indians, the Native Americans, to Thomas Jefferson, our third president. Oh, it's beautiful. So this is the largest aqueduct at the C&O Canal. So to me, it's really a work of art. I mean, it's beautifully decorated and the stone color changes, I've heard, over the course of the day. I mean, it goes from light gray to a little bit of pink. Oh my, oh my, oh my. So what are you doing here?
We're looking for this. This is the biggest one.
Whoa.
It's a dragonfly. It's a larva that came out, shed its skin, and this particular one's called a dragon hunter because it hunts other dragonflies after it emerges.
They shed these on the bank and then they fly away, and we see them flying around the mill.
Swamp monster.
Yeah.
It's gonna
Do you want
pop
to swim
out.
in this?
You know, if it's 120 degrees, I'd probably swim in anything.
I don't think I'd swim in this.
Just little green leaves in there. So, find out.
You could try.
I said you could find out.
Oh,
I'll give you a little push. Can you see the turtle? He's kind of disguised. Coming up to the Dickerson Whitewater Course. No trespassers allowed. Only for Olympians. So right here, you might see future Olympians. So this is the Dickerson Whitewater Course. It's a training course built for kayakers to practice for the Olympics. So let's just wait here until one pops out. This is, okay, Sphinx Ferry. Oh God, that's a mouthful. It's like, say that 3 times. It's a tongue twister. There's 2 islands that we're looking at along the C&O Canal Trail. And one is called the Paradise Island, and the other one is called
Peter's Island.
Peter's Island. There's not really much on these islands. There's vegetation, and there's wildlife, and there's an old farm and barn. And sometimes, occasionally, you might see a skinny dipper, but you can't bike to them. You can only boat to them. Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
So we're looking at this red sandstone, and this red sandstone was used for the Smithsonian Castle in Washington, D.C., which we did a video on, and the link is above. So if you like this tour, subscribe to our channel. We have more. There are others, and click here. And this bike tour will take you on the C&O Canal to the Point of Rocks to Shepherdstown. Hope to see you riding.